Sometimes it's the little details that make the biggest difference, and Diode Dynamics Taillight LEDs are just the thing you need to improve visibility, safety, and style for your expedition. These high-quality LEDs illuminate in a crisp, bright red hue, enhancing nighttime visibility and improving safety while modernizing the look of your build. With the hatch open, remove the two screws that hold in the taillight housing. Then use a pry tool to pop the light out of the clips and then remove it from the truck. Take off the taillight completely for ease of install of the resistors later, and twist each of the two bulb sockets a quarter turn to remove them from the light. Then the taillight bulb will pull directly out of its socket. Separate the wires at the brake light connection and attach a quick connect to the outside two wires. These are the two required wires to connect the resistor to so that our blinker will not hyperblink. Once you have the resistor tightly connected into the factory harness, plug in the Diode Dynamics bulb and test the blinker to make sure it is functioning at the correct speed. You may need to flip the bulb around in the socket if it does not behave properly. Replace the brake light and reverse light into the taillight housing, then push the taillight back into its clips in the truck and replace the two screws. The brighter output of the Diode Dynamics LED bulb is such a nice upgrade, and it helps greatly with your vehicle's nighttime visibility. Head on over to stage3motorsports.com to check out this and all other expedition upgrades we offer.